All right, here we are. I'm doing a tool review because I was so impressed with this thing and so disappointed with the other thing. So I will figure out what brand of foam gun this is. This is Great Stuff Pro running fast foam. And let me show you the difference. The Great Stuff foam is very yellow and has big holes. The fast foam through the Great Stuff Professional Contractor foam gun had a nice tight structure to it and was neutral and white. Amazing. Pull trigger, adjustable flow by turning this. If you turn it all the way off, the contractor said he's let it sit for months and then opened it back up and it worked just fine. The can is more expensive, but there's so much more foam in this can than there was in the little Great foam cans. And one of my little Great foam cans didn't even work. So all in all, very, very impressed.